Hey there, Brian Hardy here, holistic nutritionist and wellness coach, and I want to tell you about my experience with Ampcoil. Now, I had heard about this device through a number of different means, a friend's podcast, someone who owns one, different people in my health circles, but I never got to experience one to its fullest extent until I met Dr. Deborah Drake. And the way we came together was quite miraculous. At a friend's party, amazing environment, amazing people, high vibes, feeling good, and we connected, and it was just like sparks were flying. And so I was actually privileged to come to her first open house event to experience this firsthand, to get an in-depth explanation and go through the process, right? Because I've been in the world of healing for a long time, and I found a lot of things that work. But I have not been able to fully kick some of the infections and parasites I've picked up in my travels. You know, I don't regret it, but I did swim in the Amazon River at one point and dined with locals. And I'm sure there's things in my system that herbs and the more traditional approach haven't fully cleared. And so by bringing in the frequency aspect, right, by bringing in those harmonious frequencies to really saturate my whole system with healing, with health, with harmony, to let go of the metals and the parasites and the toxins that weigh us down, and to bring up the minerals and the oxygen and the energy and the stress relief, everything's changing, right? I find myself a little bit more grounded, a little bit more supported, energy is better, cognition is better, detox is less, how do you say, rough. It really smooths out the rough parts of detox, which can be a really hard process for a lot of people. And so I'm just enthused at what is going on here, what they've put together, and the potential that this thing has to truly revolutionize your health.